Alert. Solar mass anomaly detected. Central star absent. Initiating planetary countdown.
Right now, you're 8 minutes and 20 seconds away from total darkness. The sun has already vanished. You just don't know it yet. Light from a dead star is still warming your face. And when that last photon arrives, everything changes. Second 1. Light from the sun is still traveling toward Earth. At 299,792 kilometers per second, it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. Right now, the sun is gone, but the light is still on its way.
T-minus 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Light in transit. All surface readings nominal.
Second 30. Here's what most people miss. The solar wind, that constant stream of charged particles, is still flowing. It left the sun days ago, traveling at 400 kilometers per second, much slower than light. The particles don't know their source is gone. Earth's magnetosphere is still powered, still shielding us. For now.
Solar wind status active. Particle transit time from stellar surface 2 to 4 days. Current flow pre-event emission. Magnetosphere integrity nominal. Temporary.
Minute 2. The temperature hasn't changed. Not yet. But somewhere in the upper atmosphere, the first molecules are beginning to slow down. Invisible. Silent. The countdown has already begun. The world just doesn't know it yet.
Atmospheric temperature stable. Estimated decline onset T-minus 6 minutes.
Minute 4. And here is where everyone gets it wrong. Most people think losing the sun means losing light and heat. But there's something else. Something much worse. Gravity. Gravity also travels at the speed of light, which means, right now, Earth has no gravitational anchor. We are no longer in orbit. We are flying in a straight line through space at 107,000 kilometers per hour, and we cannot feel it.
Critical. Gravitational tether severed. Earth trajectory reclassified. Linear. Departure vector tangential to former orbit. Speed 29.78 kilometers per second. No deceleration mechanism detected.
Minute 8, 20 seconds. The last photon from the sun reaches your eyes. The sky doesn't go black, not immediately. It fades, like someone is dimming the lights on the entire world. And then, nothing.
Final photon received. Visual confirmation, star absent. Planetary illumination source, none.
Hour 1. The temperature hasn't crashed. Not yet. Earth holds heat like a massive battery. Oceans, soil, atmosphere, all storing decades of solar energy. But the bleeding has begun. Surface temperatures are dropping, slowly, invisibly. News anchors are scrambling. Astronomers are silent. They already know.
Status update. Surface temperature decline initiated. Rate, fraction of a degree per hour. Thermal inertia significant. Global communications active. Panic index rising.
Day 1. The surface temperature is falling past freezing. No sunlight means no photosynthesis. Every plant on Earth is beginning to die. But the oceans are still liquid. Billions of tons of thermal mass, buying time. And the ice forming on the surface, it's an insulator, slowing the freeze below. buying even more time. Week 1. Minus 30 degrees. The oceans are starting to freeze over, but only the top. The deep water holds warmth. The air is brutal, but it's still air. Oxygen and nitrogen won't condense until temperatures fall past minus 180, and that's a long way down. The only energy left comes from geothermal heat and nuclear power. Humanity retreats underground.
Population survival estimate declining. Surface temperature minus 30 Celsius. Ocean surface freezing. Deep ocean liquid. Atmospheric integrity maintained.
1 year. Below minus 70 degrees Celsius. Below 200 Kelvin. The oceans are sealed under a thick shell of ice, but far below, near volcanic vents on the ocean floor, the water is still warm. Like Europa. Like Enceladus. Moons with oceans under ice, heated from within. Bacteria thrive there. The last life on Earth looks like life on another world. And then, time stretches. 1,000 years. 1,000,000. 1,000,000,000. Earth drifts through the galaxy. A frozen, dark, silent world. No star. No orbit. Just momentum. But deep beneath the ice, near those vents, something might still be alive.
Final status. Rogue planet designation confirmed. No star system. Trajectory interstellar drift. Duration indefinite.
The sun is gone, but the clock is still ticking.
Next countdown initiating. Subscribe to receive alert.